Mark, I heard you're planning a trip next month.
Yes, I'm going to Thailand for a week.
That's exciting. Where are you staying?
At a hotel in Bangkok. But Sarah, I'm a bit nervous
Nervous? Why?
because I need to speak English at the hotel. Check-in, ordering room service, asking for help. I don't know what to say.
Ah, I understand. Hotel English can feel intimidating.
Exactly. What if I can't communicate? What if they don't understand me?
Don't worry. Hotel conversations are actually quite predictable.
Predictable?
Yes, the same phrases appear again and again. Once you learn them, it's easy.
Really?
Really? Let me teach you everything you need to know.
Please, that would help so much.
Okay, let's start with the most important moment. Check-in.
Check in at the front desk?
Yes, this is when you arrive at the hotel. Let me show you how the conversation usually goes.
Okay.
I'll be the hotel receptionist, you be the guest. Ready?
Ready.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Bangkok Grand Hotel. How may I help you?
I have reservation?
Good start. But let's make it smoother. Say, good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Mark Johnson.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Mark Johnson.
Perfect. Now I'll respond. May I see your passport and credit card, please?
Here you are.
Good. Now another common phrase. Instead of just handing it over silently, you can say, here you are, or, of course, here you go.
Here you are. Of course. Here you go.
Excellent. Now let me continue. Thank you. I see you booked a deluxe room for 5 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Good. Now I might ask, would you like a room with a city view or garden view?
City view, please.
Perfect. See? You're already doing well.
This isn't as hard as I thought.
It's not, because hotels use standard phrases. Let's continue.
Okay.
As the receptionist, I'll say, your room is on the 10th floor, room 1015. Here is your key card. Breakfast is served from 6 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 2nd floor.
Should I say something here?
Yes, you can say thank you or ask a question if you need something.
Like what?
For example, thank you. What time is check-out? Or is Wi-Fi included?
What time is check-out? Is Wi-Fi included?
Good. And I'll answer, check-out is at noon. Yes, Wi-Fi is complimentary. The password is on the card in your room.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
That was smooth. I can do this.
See? Once you know the pattern, it's easy. Now let's practice some key phrases for check-in.
Okay.
I have a reservation under the name.
I have a reservation under the name Mark Johnson.
Good. Next phrase. Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
Use this if you don't have a reservation. Next. I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
Perfect. Next, what time is breakfast served?
What time is breakfast served?
Good. Next, is Wi-Fi free?
Is Wi-Fi free?
Or you can say, is Wi-Fi complimentary?
Is Wi-Fi complimentary?
Excellent. These phrases will cover 90% of check-in situations.
Just these phrases?
Just these. Hotels are very standardized. The conversations are similar everywhere.
That's reassuring. What about when I'm in my room? What if I need something?
Good question. Let's talk about calling the front desk.
Okay.
When you pick up the phone, the receptionist will say, "Front desk, how may I assist you?"
And what do I say?
Start with, "Hello, this is room 1015." Then state your request.
Hello, this is room 1015. I need...
Exactly. Now, what might you need? Extra towels? More pillows?
maybe extra towels.
So you say, "Hello, this is room 1015. Could I have some extra towels, please?"
Could I have some extra towels, please?
Perfect. The receptionist will say, "Of course, we'll send them to your room right away."
And I just say, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Easy, right? Let's practice more common requests.
Okay.
Could I have extra pillows, please?
Could I have extra pillows, please?
Could I have more hangers, please?
Could I have more hangers, please?
Could someone help with my luggage?
Could someone help with my luggage?
The air conditioning isn't working. Could you send someone to check it?
The air conditioning isn't working. Could you send someone to check it?
Excellent. See the pattern? Could I have or could you?
Very polite and clear.
Exactly. Now let's talk about room service.
Ordering food to my room?
Yes, many hotels have room service. It's convenient, especially if you're tired.
How do I order?
First, look at the menu in your room. Decide what you want. Then, call room service.
What number?
Usually, there's a button on the phone that says room service, or it's explained in the hotel information.
Okay. Then what?
The person will answer, "Room service, how may I help you?"
And I say?
"Hello, this is room 1015. I'd like to order some food, please."
Hello, this is room 1015. I'd like to order some food, please.
Good. Then they'll say, "Certainly. What would you like?"
I'd like a sandwich?
Be specific. "I'd like a club sandwich and a green salad, please."
I'd like a club sandwich and a green salad, please.
Perfect. They might ask, "Anything to drink?"
Yes. A bottle of water, please.
Good. They'll confirm 1 club sandwich, 1 green salad, and 1 bottle of water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And they'll say, "That will be delivered to your room in about 30 minutes."
Okay. Thank you.
See? Simple conversation. Let's practice key phrases.
I'd like to order room service, please.
I'd like a club sandwich, please.
What are your vegetarian options?
How long will the delivery take?
Could I have extra ketchup with that?
Good practice. Now, what about problems? What if something is wrong with your room?
Like what?
Maybe the shower isn't working, or the TV is broken, or it's too noisy.
How do I report that?
Call the front desk and explain calmly. Let me show you.
Okay.
Hello, front desk. How may I help you?
Hello. This is room 1015. The shower isn't working properly.
I'm sorry to hear that. We'll send maintenance to your room right away.
Thank you.
Good. You stayed calm and clear. Let's practice more problem phrases.
The TV remote isn't working.
The Wi-Fi isn't connecting.
The room is too cold.
There's no hot water.
The neighbors are very noisy.
Perfect. Now, important phrase. I'm sorry to hear that. The hotel staff will often say this.
To show they care about the problem?
Exactly. It's a polite, professional response. Now let's talk about checkout.
The last day?
Yes, checkout is usually simple. You go to the front desk with your key card.
What do I say?
I'd like to check out, please. Room 1015.
I'd like to check out, please. Room 1015.
Good. The receptionist will print your bill. They'll ask, how was your stay?
It was wonderful. Thank you.
Or, it was very comfortable. Thank you.
It was very comfortable. Thank you.
Then they'll ask, how would you like to pay? Cash or card?
By card, please.
Perfect. After payment, they'll say, here is your receipt. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for everything.
Good. Polite and complete. Let's practice checkout phrases.
I'd like to check out, please.
Could I have my bill, please?
Were there any phone charges?
Could you call a taxi for me?
Could someone help with my luggage?
Excellent. These cover most checkout situations.
Sarah, this is so helpful. I feel much more confident now.
Good. Remember, hotel staff deal with international guests every day. They're used to different accents and language levels.
So they're patient?
Very patient. And they want to help you. That's their job.
That's reassuring.
Just speak clearly and use these phrases. You'll be fine.
What if I forget a phrase?
Use simple words. Instead of, could you arrange a taxi? Just say, I need a taxi, please.
Simple is okay.
Simple is perfect. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
That takes the pressure off.
Exactly. Now, let me give you one more tip.
What's that?
Prepare before you travel.
How?
Write down key phrases on your phone. Practice saying them out loud before your trip.
Like rehearsing?
Exactly. If you practice now, when you're at the hotel, the phrases will come naturally.
That's smart. I'll do that.
Good. Let's review important vocabulary.
Word 1, reservation. A booking made in advance. I have a reservation under my name.
Word 2, check in. The process of registering at a hotel. What time is check-in?
Word 3, check out. The process of leaving a hotel. Check out is at noon.
Word 4, complimentary. Free of charge. Is breakfast complimentary?
Word 5, maintenance. Hotel staff who fix things. We'll send maintenance to your room.
Word 6, receipt. Proof of payment. Here is your receipt.
Now, useful phrases.
Phrase 1, how may I help you? A polite way to ask what someone needs.
Phrase 2, I'd like to. A polite way to make a request. I'd like to check in, please.
Phrase 3, could I have? A polite way to ask for something. Could I have extra towels?
Phrase 4, I'm sorry to hear that. A sympathetic response to a problem.
Practice questions.
Question 1, have you ever stayed at a hotel alone?
Question 2, what would you do if the Wi-Fi didn't work in your room?
Question 3, do you prefer ordering room service or eating at a restaurant?
Question 4, what's the first thing you check when you enter a hotel room?
Good practice.
Mark, you're ready for your trip.
I think I am. I feel so much more prepared now.
You are. Just remember the key phrases we practiced.
Check-in phrases, room service, reporting problems, check out.
Exactly. And stay calm. The hotel staff are there to help you.
I'll remember that.
One more thing.
What?
Smile and be polite. That goes a long way in any language.
Good advice.
Enjoy your trip to Thailand. You'll do great.
Thank you, Sarah. This lesson really helped.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful time.
I will.
Everyone watching, these hotel phrases work anywhere in the world.
Hotels in different countries use similar English.
Learn these phrases once, use them everywhere.
It's that simple.
Practice before you travel. You'll feel confident.
And enjoy your trip more.
See you next time.
Happy travels, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.